This is a deluxe studio here at Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort in Hilton Head, South Carolina. Today we'll be staying in room 2814, which is located in building 28. I can use my provided Hilton Head specific room key to open the door here. So let's head on in and take a look. This video is brought to you by myself and Off to Neverland Travel. I am a magic maker with Off to Neverland Travel, specializing in selling Disney destinations, which means you can have me plan your next Disney vacation adventure. I can plan your trip to the Walt Disney World Resort in Florida, or even the Disneyland Resort in California. I also book trips to Aulani, a Disney resort and spa in Hawaii, or aboard one of the many Disney Cruise Line ships from across the globe. I can also book a beach getaway at either Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort in South Carolina, or Disney's Vero Beach Resort, just 2 hours southeast of the Walt Disney World Resort. To get started with planning your Disney destination getaway, please give me a call at 407-279-1409. That's 407-279-1409, and let me take care of the details. And now back to the video. As we enter our deluxe studio here at Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort, you'll notice the first thing you see when you walk in off to the right is your kitchenette space in this room. Deluxe studios with DVCs do not have full kitchens setups, they have kitchenettes. So that includes your sink, your mini fridge, and a microwave. In this room in particular, you'll also get a combination Keurig coffee maker, which can make single K-cups or 12-cup pots of coffee. To the left, you have your in-room provided Joffrey's coffees and teas. You also get dairy creamer, sugar and sugar substitutes. You get paper cups and lids, and wooden coffee stirrers. You also get a toaster oven provided in this room. Your sink in this room does not come with a garbage disposal. They do provide you with a hand pump of hand dish soap, as well as a roll of paper towels. Hiding behind the paper towels over here, you do also have two 120-volt outlets available for you. Above the sink is where you're going to find your microwave. You also have a storage cubby over here, which does have an ice chest and a dish towel. You have 4 total cabinets above the sink area over here. All of these do not have anything included with them at Hilton Head, but you can use these for additional storage if you wish to bring your own items for a long-term stay. Here you have your mini refrigerator off to the right. This currently has Catherine's pudding in it, but most notably in this mini fridge in particular, you have a little freezer section up top. I know not all of the DVC studios have a mini fridge with a freezer, so this is a plus. You have a drawer right here between the sink and the fridge, which is where you're going to have actual real silverware, which is not common for DVC studios. You also get a can opener as well as a corkscrew and bottle opener. Underneath the drawer here, you have a cabinet, and this is where you're going to find your real ceramic plates and bowls, real ceramic coffee mugs, and the smaller glass cold drinking glasses. Underneath the sink over here, this is where you're going to find your in-room trash can and recycling can, as well as a dish drying rack, an extra roll of paper towels, and a dish sponge. Now, also fun to note, across from the kitchenette, you do have a window that you can open and close a curtain to. This one opens up all the way. And normally, if it wasn't dark out, you'd be able to see out into the Shelter Cove Marina. You can see my car over there. Right over there is my car. And then as you walk further into the room here, you find yourself in the main living and sleeping space. But before we get there, we're going to head over to the left here. This is going to be your in-room closet. Your in-room closet comes stocked with plenty of hangers available to choose from. You also get an extra set of pillows and blankets. From left to right, you can see you have an iron and ironing board available, a broom and a dustpan, a luggage rack, a steam mop, a vacuum cleaner, as well as your in-wall room safe. Back behind this closed door over here is going to be the bathroom for the deluxe studio. Over to the left, you can see you have your toilet, and you also have a one sink vanity. The one sink vanity on the left hand side does come with 2 hand pumps of sea salt body lotion and hand soap, as well as a sea salt bar bath soap with a soap dish, and a box of tissues. You have a nice mirror above the sink as well, with a shelf that comes with 3 washcloths. To the left of the shelf here, you have a lit makeup mirror, switches right there, and 2 120-volt outlets. Your hand towel and an additional washcloth are going to be to the left of the toilet in this room. Notably, the bathroom does also have one of these windows that looks outside. This particular room doesn't necessarily have a problem with the window placement, but I do know from experience some of these rooms have the window looking straight out to the deck where other people can walk up to the window and see in. So if you have one of those rooms, just bear that in mind. You might want to close the shades if you want your privacy. You also get 4 bath towels across from the toilet. And the Deluxe Studio does come with a glass wall shower and bathtub combo. Your shower is a standard rainfall shower head that's fixed in place. You do also get a retractable clothesline in this room as well. On the back wall, you do have a cubby space to provide your own toiletries. Disney does provide you with wall-mounted sea marine shampoo and conditioner and sea salt body wash on this far wall. And you do also get 4 towel hooks as well. Walking out of the bathroom over here, before we get into the living room and sleeping area, on this wall right here, you have your in-room thermostat. And this is important because, especially this time of year, in the low country, it gets very humid. And this thermostat goes down to 50. Here you have the bedroom and living space in the Deluxe Studio. You have a couch which does fold down into an additional queen size Murphy style bed. You have a coffee table in front of the couch here, which does flip up to reveal additional storage and also kind of doubles as a movable desk space as well. Your couch does have 2 decorative pillows, which are kind of floral themed to match the theme of Hilton Head and its natural low country kind of overall theme. You have some artwork above the couch here with Mickey and Minnie sitting in some Adirondack chairs under a live oak tree looking over the Broad Creek area. And if you know Hilton Head Island Resort like I do, you know exactly where this picture is based off of. To the left hand side of the couch, you have a small nightstand here. Just a regular nightstand, a place to put some items. You have 2 120-volt outlets, a USB-A and USB-C port, and some more artwork. This one's a little more subtle. You can see Donald and Daisy here on a yacht parked in one of the nearby marinas. You'll also notice on the side of the Murphy bed here, you have 2 more 120-volt outlets and then an additional USB-A and USB-C port as well. Further into the bedroom over here, you do have a fixed-in-place queen-size bed that does come with 4 available pillows to choose from, and this decorative pillow with a heron bird walking through the low country marshes. Between the bed and the couch, you do have a full-size nightstand with your in-room phone. You have 2 more 120-volt outlets, another USB-A and USB-C port, and then on the side of the Murphy bed again, you have 2 more 120-volt outlets, another USB-A and another USB-C port. Under the top of the nightstand, you have a storage cubby, and you have a drawer with the Bible inside. Now, the queen-size bed here in the Deluxe Studio is a raised platform bed with storage space underneath to place large suitcase items, which is fantastic. They lifted that from Disney Cruise Line, and not all rooms in DVC have this yet. Come on, DVC, get with the program. And then on the far side wall over here, you do have a 7-drawer dresser with a bunch of different cubby spaces. You have a little desk on the right hand or the left hand side, excuse me, with these 2 small chairs that can be moved independently of one another. On either side of this dresser and desk space, you do have another set of 120-volt outlets, USB-A and USB-C ports. You also get a 55-inch screen TV, and finally get the updated hotel room software for the TVs. It took Hilton Head Island Resort 7 years to get this after the first ones rolled out at Walt Disney World. Hilton Head, I'm pretty sure, is the last one to get these. Vero got them 2 years ago, and Hilton Head did not have them as of January 25, so I'm glad to see they finally got this. You also have another bench over here to the right hand side of your dresser space with another storage cubby underneath. Now you may notice this door here in your studio. This door is a connecting room to the one bedroom on the other side. If you were to book this room as a 2-bedroom lock-off unit, this room would technically act as the second bedroom for the 2-bedroom unit. So right now, that side is a 1-bedroom, this side is a deluxe studio. Open these doors, it becomes a 2-bedroom lock-off villa. Now this deluxe studio does also come with its own private balcony. I apologize, it is 9:15 at night when I am filming this. We got in Hilton Head late tonight and we are leaving tomorrow around 5 o'clock in the morning, so this is what we get. Normally in building 28 you have views out here of this little play courtyard area. You have a grill, you also have some hammocks, and then you also have a view of your neighboring 1-bedroom balcony over there. Your balcony in the deluxe studio does come with 2 rocking chairs on either side. You have one right there, you have one right there, and you also have an outdoor outlet if you need it. Here is what the studio looks like with the pull-down bed pulled down. You can see you have plenty of space between the end of the bed and the benches on the right-hand side to move about. Not a lot of room to put this coffee table though. If you kind of stick it in between the 2 beds, you do have a little bit of wiggle room. When you pull down the pull-down bed, you can see you have some different artwork. Here you have Pluto, Chip, and Dale taking a little nap next to these Adirondack chairs on the end corner of the resort. Normally up top here you would have some accent lighting that can be turned on and off using the switch over here, but it does not appear to be functioning in this room today, so I unfortunately cannot show you that. So that is our tour of the deluxe studio here at Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort. Points values and pricing for this room vary depending on your length of stay and the time of year you are staying. For one night on a weekday in the middle of May, this room will cost you 14 vacation points. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like this in the future, please be sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Monorail Central, and be sure to hit that notification bell to receive updates for all future content. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all real soon.